Hello, we want to continue with inserting page numbers in our document. If we scroll through using the scroll bar here, you could see that there are so many pages on our screen. Remember, I told you the status bar tells us the state of our document. So currently you could see that we have 4 pages on our screen, but currently we are working inside page 3. And these are the number of words that we have typed on the screen. But those things are not indicated on the document area. So there is the need for us to insert page numbers to make navigation easier. So to do that is very simple. We move to the insert tab. Under insert tab, we will see a group here called headers and footers. Under headers and footers, you see the page numbers here. You click on the drop down arrow. So now take notice of these after clicking on the page numbers. If you want your page number to be at the top of the page, you position the cursor on it and it is actually making recommendations for us. It is asking us whether our page number at the top of the page, we want it to be here, either here in the middle or at the right margin. Or sometimes you see one, then a page is also what we call it the accent bar. Is that what you want? You select. Or if you want the page numbers to be at the bottom of the page, you also position the cursor on it, then you select like what we did for the top. You also want it to be in the margin, so these are the margins, okay? If that is where you want it, you select. Or you can also format the page numbers. So let's assume you want it to be at the bottom of the page. Then we select any of these. So let us select plain number 2. Look at the position. It's centered. So let's also watch whether it is going to be centered on our screens. Good. So you see a page number has been inserted, but we chose the bottom. So the bottom is called footer. 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 That is why we could see it here. So let us close the footer here and see whether the page numbers are there. Good. Now I can see page 1. Let's scroll. Let's scroll. Yes, page 2 is also here. Let's scroll. Let's scroll. Page 3. Let's scroll. Good. Page 4. So you see how we insert what we call page numbers on our screens.